Good morning, everyone. Today we're here in Kemptonpark. I'm going to quickly sort out the Centurion D5 Evo sliding gate motor. Client took it out. He wanted to take it into Centurion for a service. And we said, nah, it's not needed. We can do it on site. So let's quickly run through the basics. We've looked at the steel gate track. We've got some sand and rubble here. You can see the white powder on the track. So obviously small stones are being crushed. If you look at the magnet is obviously completely skewed, so it might be out of reach. So we still need to fit it back, but we just want to quickly run through it and then see what we need to look at and what we need to do where. Looking at this steel base plate. So one of my friend technicians had installed this base plate upside down. Okay, cool. You look at the gate track. On one of the other aspects, you close the steel sliding gate. Must be free running at all times. It's a bit jerky. It does bump. But yeah, let's quickly sort it out. Stay tuned. Okay, rollers. Quite a lot of play on the steel sliding gate. Can become an issue, but you can adjust the gate motor to ignore some aspects. Just again, this shows you knowledge is power. We know that there's no electricity on this wire. We know there's a fault somewhere. And then no excuses. You can see this wire burnt through. What's strange is that the client's electrician couldn't sort it out. Right, but we know now where the fault is, and let's quickly see that we can sort it out. All done. There you can see it. Power is back at the gate motor on the circuit breakers that's leading to the gate motor. So we've run a new cable up over there and came down with the spread tubing in a junction box. So before we just install it back, let's quickly just run through it and check that it's all good. DOS disc is clean. We'll check the motor brushes as well. This is a 2022 model. It's really not an old gate motor. Right, we're quickly having a look at the electrical motor. Armature shows you that this gate motor hasn't even run yet, and still the client is having constant problems. So one of the things is looking at the brushes, that they are free moving in their slots. If you have a sticky brush, you're also going to have problems. So here you can see that both motor brushes are moving freely without any hiccups. they're not getting stuck, and obviously there's enough brushes left, so there's still enough brushes. Alright, let's quickly have a look at this battery. We're gonna measure it, and it's a new battery. Let's go to the other one. 13.2. So now we're going to test this battery for the electrical motor. There you can see it's spinning away. Right, we're going to reverse test it. That's it. Right, let's put it on the lithium. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. So if a lithium polymer battery shuts down trying to recharge it, if you don't know what you're doing, it's not going to charge. Alright, we're just going to quickly open the gearbox. You can see that bearing is spinning in my hand. We can look at the main drive gear. There's enough oil in it, it's obviously going to soak it up. So I'm turning it, and you can see that the main gear is splashed with oil because it's basically in an oil bath. So these are all good. So everything currently is fine. The electrical motor, the brushes, contact points of the electrical motor, the gearbox. The disc is clean. So we're just gonna quickly put it back together. Obviously, if you check the oil level, see that it's correct. It's not too high. And ready to be put back together, and then we're gonna quickly put it back on its steel base plate and then quickly see where the problems are from there. So the electrical motor has been put back. We're just going to quickly test it and run it. Smooth. Okay, reverse. Okay, cool. That's good. Alright, there you can see battery charging 13.5657, that's right. It's good for a lead acid battery. So we've got power. Let's quickly test it. Alright, done with everything. Let's quickly test the gate motor. You can see that it's running smoothly. We didn't redo the installation as such. We just did troubleshooting and resolving of the troubles that the client had. The client wanted to take his gate motor in for a service. Was not needed, as proved on this video. So if you want your gate motor to repair it properly first time, just give Pottie a call. 083 778 2288 here in Gauteng. You can also speak to Amanda, 083 719 2250. Thanks for watching, and thanks for all of the support. Just have a closer view. These are the guys that you want to contact. Also guys, watch out for smartgates.co.za, new website that we're building with all of the new smart technology in gate motors. Stay tuned.